G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we build all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are talking about heat shrink. Okay, now this is Hellerman Titan electrical accessories. Okay, now I have two sizes. I have the, 4.8 and I have the, it looks like 6.4. Okay, you check. Anyway. So today I want to show you things like this. We're quickly going to make one and then I will show you other things I did. Now this is for people like me that suck at knots, and if you want to make yourself, what do you call these things, lanyards. You can do it with shock cord, you can do it with paracord, you can do it with pretty much anything you want. Okay, so I'm going to take two little pieces like this. You can buy those accessory packs with the millions of different colors and things, or you can do it the way I did. You just go, you buy these things. It's extremely inexpensive. I think it is 20 Rand for a packet of this, and then you get a meter of this stuff inside in a variety of sizes. Okay, yes, 20 Rand is what? $1 American freedom dollar. Okay, so we have two little blue things, and let's take a black thing. Okay, now you can put it on a knife as is, like I did with this one. This is a piece of, you know, when you buy these gift packages, you get the weird cord on it, and I just took that, close the end, put that thing there, and if you don't like it, you can just break it off again. Okay, let's take a piece of this as well, just for showing. Okay, this is the 6 something mil one, so that fits thick paracord like this quite nicely, both in one. Okay, so this is just the thing I made to show you what you can do. This is pretty much what we're going to do now. So I'm closing the ends and I'm putting it together like that, so you can put it through a machete or whatever you want to do with that. This was just to show you that you can also do it with thinner paracord. And then, yeah, I think that's enough showing things. Okay, let's quickly make one, just so you can see what I am talking about. Okay, first I'm going to put this, both of them, can you see? Sorry. Just put both strands through there like that. Take this thing. I'm gonna have it over the edge just a little bit. And now I don't have a light there. You can use a heat gun, and I saw some people even using angry hair dryers, but the normal standard issue lighter works perfectly fine. Just move it quickly, you don't want to burn the thing. Okay, we can also get these things, it's very hot. You can also get these things with the adhesive on the inside, but I don't like that because, like I said, if you want to take it off again, I don't want to permanently bond things forever, so you should be able to slide the middle part around. Well, that's the way I like it, but this is just possibilities. You can go and play and do whatever you want to. Bend it nice and straight. Okay, now our ends, you can also wash them afterwards if you don't want to burn them. And let's take this thing. I'm slowly turning it as I am vigorously moving my lighter around to shrink it. Okay, good enough. Now we have this thing, and like I said, if you use these ones that is not adhesive, you can actually move it around to make your loop bigger or smaller for whatever you want to do. So, just a different way of making lanyards for anything and everything. Shrink wrap. No, shrink. Heat shrink. Electrical things. Okay. I'm going to show you a braai from yesterday or wherever. All of you, enjoy this quick little video. Have a fantastic week. Goodbye. Okay, my wood supply is running a bit low, so I'll have to go stock up. Okay, feel for now. Some fire starting pieces at the bottom, big chunks at the top. We're gonna braai something today. Okay, this thing has been going for hours, so eventually I'll braai. Okay, I added my Weber grill onto a few pieces of wood. Once the fire dies down and the grill is clean, I'll add my meat. Yes, braaiing in the fire pit. Okay, that's better. On my fire, I have my sausages. You might call them kebabs, but you're wrong. I have a few pieces of wood holding them where they're supposed to be. And I'm braaiing this on my Weber grill. We don't normally do it like this, but this is what we're doing today. Anyway, once this is done, I'm gonna chuck a few pieces of chuck on there with some braai spice, and that's gonna be delicious. And my braai for today. Look at the old guy. Okay, the old guy is camera shy today. Anyway, this is what we're eating. Delicious. Okay, and while I'm sitting here, my braai knife is this thing. The Dragonfly 2. And I must say, it sucked its way into my little heart. Regardless of the K390, I haven't cut enough to make sure that I can flick it, I promise you. Okay, regardless if it can keep an edge forever, this knife is fantastic. I just love this little thing because it stays in my watch pocket and it is marvelous. Okay, back to the braai. Delicious. Okay, these guys look pretty much done. Time for my chuck. Okay, it looks like I do not have a knife with me at all, but in here I have this thing, and it might be small, but mighty. I really like this knife. My first, what do you call it, Dragonfly, but I'm definitely gonna get more. This thing is amazing. Okay, I have 3 of these monstrous pieces on the fire. Chuck it, never away. It's fantastic. Okay, heavily spiced with jar colors, braai spice. This stuff is awesome.